Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I'll show you the exact ICT silver bullet strategy Casper SMC himself introduced on his YouTube channel. He also done an extensive backtest and he claims to have a 77% win rate. Now all the data and the things I'm telling you are provided by him and are found on his YouTube channel. Right now I'm gonna show you the strategy and then we're gonna look at the results and backtesting data. So let's go. Okay, so first of all, we're only gonna trade this strategy on Nasdaq or NDQ100 in my example, and we are only gonna be trading it on the 5-minute time frame. So what you're looking for is a fair value gap form between 10 and 11 o'clock. And very important thing is that at 4 p.m. New York local time, all of the trades you have should be closed, and you want to enter from the first 5-minute fair value gap that form. So let's see, we have price action right here, and this is the kill zone from 10 to 11 o'clock New York local time, or EST, Eastern time, and for as I said, only Nasdaq. So let's say we have a move like this, and then this is the first fair value gap that forms that didn't get filled, and then we have another one that got filled right here. But we would not take entry right here because we only want to take entry from the first fair value gap on the 5-minute that forms between 10 and 11 o'clock, and the candle can form at 10 a.m. and the entry must be in that time as well. So we're gonna take entry right here, and then we're gonna place our stop loss above the third candle of the fair value gap. So above or below the fair value gap pattern. So right here, let's say, and then we're gonna target 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, and let's say this is a winning trade. It goes like this and then straight down to TP. So right now I'm gonna show you at chart example as well, and then we're gonna look at the results Casper SMC has gotten himself. So right here, as you can see, we got our 10 to 11 session for AM silver bullet, and what we see here is a 5-minute gap. Now, did this 5-minute gap form after 10 a.m.? And the answer is yes. As you can see, if we were to go into replay, 10 a.m. right opens right here, so it opened and then it formed a fair value gap. And then price action. But you would look after this candle forms, so let's go to replay. After this candle forms, you would look at this fair value gap and you ask yourself, is it first that formed from in this time frame, and is the candle that is formed the fair value gap, so right here the second candle, inside the range from the 10 and 11, and do we get an entry between that range? If all the criteria is met, you enter the trade. As I said, stop loss is below the third candle of the fair value gap pattern, and you target 1 to 2. Now you see, this strategy is very mechanical. It is very easy and it is very simple to execute. So let's see that, as you can see, with the help of hindsight, as we saw, this water hit perfectly and then reverse. So it is very powerful strategy. Now let's go to the previous example just to show you a little bit more. So we have our silver bullet hour session from 10 to 11 o'clock EST or New York local time. So what is the first fair value gap? This is not a fair value gap inside because it opened at the 9:55, which is not in that window, which is invalid. So we trade, and the first fair value gap that we see is right here. Now we also have a fair value gap here and a small fair value gap here, but none of those is the first one. This is the first fair value gap. So our entry actually should be this. Now we don't trail our entries or anything. We put it like this, and if we don't get a fill, we don't get a fill. So this strategy is a really simple, mechanical, easy to use, and really easy to execute strategy with entry rules, stop loss rules, and take profit rules already set before you even enter the trade. And if you like this strategy and like the video, make sure to subscribe and join the Discord below. Now I got a new Discord because I lost the previous one, so make sure to join. And right now let's look at Casper's results for this strategy, long term and short term. So let's go. So as you can see, Casper SMC in his latest video about this strategy, he back tested exact 9 trades and 7 wins and 2 losses. So with this strategy, he got 77% win rate over a span of 9 trades. Now he already did an extensive backtest, but this just show you how powerful this strategy actually is. So these are the results he got, and as you can see, he would already pass a phase 1 of most or all prop firm that they are. So let's look at the extensive results right now to show you a bigger picture of what his strategy offers. So as you can see right here in front of you, I have the extensive backtest from Casper. He did exactly 73 trades in total and got a 48 to 49% win rate, which is around 50% with 1 to 2. This is a really good result. It is profitable. Don't mind that it's under 50% because with 1 to 2, it's still very profitable. Prop to Casper SMC for revealing it, and make sure to check them out because for the credit as well. Now, thank you guys so much for watching and staying till the end. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, stay safe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.